Narrated by Aisha Raziallahu Anha, the mother of the faithful believers. Al-Harith bin Hisham asked Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, how is the divine inspiration revealed to you?" Allah's Messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, "Sometimes it is revealed like the ringing of a bell. This form of inspiration is the hardest of all, and then this state passes off after I have grasped what is inspired. Sometimes the angel comes in the form of a man and talks to me, and I grasp whatever he says." Aisha Raziallahu Anha added, "Verily I saw the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam being inspired divinely on a very cold day, and I noticed the sweat dropping from his forehead as the inspiration was over."